Hello, I'm in a 2009 Toyota Venza, and today I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance oil life for your vehicle. So you want to have the vehicle started. On this particular tutorial, there would be a maintenance required possibly here as well to indicate this, but I'm going to use this display to set this all today. So we're in the setup, and then we'll go to vehicle, and then your maintenance. And then here there's lots of things you could reset. On this one we're here for the engine oil. This particular one's set up to just not prompt you for it, but say you do want it to tell you every like 3,000 miles or whatever makes sense for you. You just type in how often you want the prompts and then save it. So you would hit OK and then OK again, and now it's saved to prompt every 3,000 miles to have like some sort of maintenance required type indicator. And then you can also do the opposite of what I just showed and just get rid of all that so it doesn't prompt you at all. It's up to you. And then, yeah, so I'm just deleting it. Yes. That way, this one just won't prompt you for it. But obviously it's good to make sure you get your oil changes, so whatever works for you. I hope this was helpful, and hope you have a wonderful day.